Hello everyone, welcome to the Kirby Tech Box channel, and today we will be having a look at two products, MI fast charger and a braided Type-C cable from MI itself. If you have been looking for a charger, then this might be it. So stay tuned and let's begin with the unboxing of the product. This is the package I have received from MI store, and on opening we got both the USB and the charger in their respective box here. The MI branding and the MI standard charger branding on the front and side of the box, and on the back side you can see the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 branding. So the charger does support fast charging and it is certified by Qualcomm. And you can see the MRP is printed as 599, but it is on sale for 449 rupees. Now coming to the cable, you can see the MI branding, MI braided USB Type-C cable written over here, and the price printed as 399 rupees, but it's available on sale for 299. The cable is 1 meter long, supports up to 3 ampere of charging, and comes with a nylon braided cable. On opening the package, we have the cable in this form. You can see the braided structure of the cable. The cable seems to be sturdy and strong enough to withstand some daily abuse. The Type-C ends and the MI logo over here. And now let's get back to the charging adapter and open up the box. It comes with a seal. Let's cut through it. And this is how it looks like. It seems to be the same as a normal 2 amp charger, but it is a bit heavier. You can see the output rating as 5V 3 amps, 9V 2 amps, and 12V 1.5 amps. So the charger and the cable both have a good build quality, and if you have been looking for an alternative charger or cable, you can consider this set. And that's all in today's video, guys. Thumbs up if you have liked the video, and show some love by subscribing to this channel.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I